Video to fix Manor Lords black screen bug and crashing problems. Are you frustrated because the game shows a black screen on launch or crashes randomly while playing, making it impossible to enjoy? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicts between the game and Windows background processes. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall the game, edit hidden system files, or run multiple complex commands, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes black screens and crashes safely and quickly in just a few simple steps. First, we'll verify and repair the game files to remove corruption, then update your GPU drivers and Windows components to ensure compatibility, and finally adjust in-game settings and close conflicting background apps to prevent crashes and improve performance. This method works on almost all PC setups, keeps your save files safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Manor Lords black screen and crashing problems, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy smooth, stable gameplay without crashes or black screens.